Hello everyone. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Today I'm fixing an omelet here on my hot plate. I like to fix my omelets on my hot plate because I can regulate the temperature a little bit better. As you can see, I've already got my eggs in here cooking. And I'm going to start turning down the temperature just a little bit. I've already added a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of celery seed. I'll show you what the celery seed looks like. I have used this for a lot of different things. McCormick celery seed. I've had this for a long time. It probably comes in another bottle by now. I love the glass bottle, and I'm going to keep that bottle when I get through using up the celery seed. Or if you prefer more crunchy and you have more time, you can use the real celery, of course. Okay, now this is starting to cook pretty good, and I'm going to add some just torn up, washed and torn up spinach. I love this. It gives it great color too. And spinach is another very healthy food that boosts your immune system, helps filter your liver. I've got cheddar cheese that I just put in pretty large chunks. White Vidalia onions that I just cut up. And then also the white mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese in big chunks. I like mine in big chunks. And just cook it to let that cheese melt and the egg cook fully. I don't like my eggs runny now. I like my eggs fully done, but I don't like them scorched either. So, and if you want to, you can add a little bit more celery seed on top. Alright, while that's cooking, I'm putting up my ingredients in the refrigerator. Clean as you go, always makes it easier to clean up the dishes afterwards. Okay, now let me see. I'm going to pull this back, see if it doesn't stick. It's not sticking. Kind of flip it a little bit just to make sure it's not sticking. And you don't even have to flip it. You can just let it cook like this. Just so long as everything is melted and cooked. You can go ahead and saute these onions and melt the cheese if you want to, but if you're like me, you're usually always having running late, so it's better just to do it like this for me. And continue to let that cook. And if you want to make sure it's fully cooked, I got the wrong lid. Make sure it's fully cooked. Then you can put that lid on. Go ahead and turn off the hot plate or your burner. And I always like to go ahead and unplug my hot plate, because hot plates are notorious for causing fires if you leave them left plugged up, especially during a storm or something. But continue to cook this until you see the cheese is melting, or has melted. Like I say, I've tried many ways to eat eggs, just about any way there is. And to me, making an omelet with some of my favorite Valdelia onions. You can use spring onions too, or shallots. And a little bit of the cheddar cheese, the mozzarella cheese, and of course the very healthy spinach. You know, Popeye, he always ate a lot of spinach to give him a lot of strength and make him strong. Well, that's true for his spinach and eggs combined. This is an extra healthy omelet. Now I'm going to put the lid back on there just a minute. I may plug it up just a second longer and turn it back on. Usually it don't take this long, but since I'm making it for you all, I guess I'm kind of nervous and wanting it to be just exactly perfect. But on my plate I already have some honey wheat bread. You can eat it with any type of bread you want, or you can just eat it with some fresh tomatoes sliced, which is good that way too. Also sometimes when I've got it on hand, use bell pepper in this mixture also, but I'm out of bell pepper. I like to use the red, the yellow, and the green. Okay, yes, this is just nicely cooked now. I'll go back and turn this off and unplug it first thing. I don't want to go anywhere and not have everything unplugged. Then just take it off. Remove this right here where you can see it. And it just easily slides out. Always use a non-stick pan. And there you have the perfect omelet. I put a little bit of canola oil in there in mine. You can also use coconut oil. You can use corn oil. It doesn't matter. But here is the perfect omelet. And then inside, some people puts it on one side. I like to put it on two sides. And you can see that mozzarella cheese is melted. And there you have just a quick, easy breakfast, or a quick, easy lunch, or a quick, easy supper. I fix omelets any time of the day. It doesn't matter. Well, everyone, hope y'all enjoyed this easy recipe that I came up with on my own. And I hope y'all try an omelet. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Everyone, subscribe to my channel if you will, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.